Today we're going to talk about English numbers. Hi, I'm Teacher Al and you're watching English with Al. As I said earlier, I'm going to talk about English numbers today. Let's begin with numbers 0 to 9.
0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Now let's play a game that tests both your English and vision. Look at the pictures and say the numbers that you can see. You have 5 seconds to answer, but if you need more time, you can pause the video. Let's go! Okay, let's move on with numbers 10 to 20.
10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20.
There is something important that you should know about numbers ending in teen. When you're saying these numbers, you should make sure that you put stress on the last syllable, which is teen. So it's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10 cigarettes.
12 meters. 11.
He was 13 years old.
14 days and 16 hours.
15 years ago.
Number 17.
Oh, no.
A problem?
How old are you?
18.
18.
19 hours. It's just 19 hours.
20, sire. 20 minutes.
Alright, now let's play another game to test how well you can say numbers 1 to 20 in English. This time, you should show me how good you are at mental math as well as English. You have 5 seconds to calculate the answers, but if you need more time, you may pause the video. Let's start. Okay, that's all for today. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next lessons. Bye!